So today's opener is just a review of what we did on our notes yesterday, which is solving multi-step equations and inequalities with variables on both sides of the equal sign and some parts. So the front side, we just have multiple variables, and it's going to be multi-step. So every time that we solve equations, we always know that we're going to circle the variables, and we're going to draw the line of equality. After I circle the variable and draw the line of equality, what's the next step I should ask myself, or the next step that I should do? Distribute. What am I going to distribute here? Which equals?
-6x plus 10. -10.
Are you sure?
I have positive 10.
That's right. You have it. Okay, keep going.
Plus 2x equals -6.
After I distribute, I.
Oh, try to see if you can combine my terms.
And can I?
Yeah.
What do I have here?
-6x, 2x.
What kind of 2x is that?
A positive.
Or a plus? Yep. So -6x plus 2x.
-4x.
And then I bring down my plus 10 because I have no other constant or like term to combine it with, and -6. Okay, so I've distributed, I've combined like terms. Now I'm stuck with a two-step equation. So my next step would be to subtract 10 or undo any addition or subtraction. So now I have -4x equals, what do you guys think? -16. Last step is to do what? So x is going to equal, that's right. Good job. Any questions on that first one?
I got negative.
Two negatives when you multiply or divide equals a positive.
I did -6x minus 10.
Why can't you take -6x minus 10?
Because it's both negatives.
Can you show me what you're talking about?
Like right here, I did -2 and then I did -2 times 3. And then I got -6 and then I did -2 like times -5.
Yeah, I got that.
And I put the minus 10 though.
Okay, but when you multiply two negatives, it equals a positive. Yeah. Oh, you fixed it.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what I like about that? What did you do? You fixed it though, right? And that's the whole point. So if you see that you made a mistake on your opener, fix it so you get full credit. Or if you feel like I made a mistake, say, Miss Lidekin, are you sure that's right? It's okay to question me. I make mistakes too. Okay. All right, Riley.
I'm pretty lost here. I got here and I'm lost.
Okay, we'll get there. Riley, what do I do?
Distribute
With what?
1
What kind of one?
negative.
Okay. And so because I am old and I am forgetful, I go ahead and I rewrite everything that I'm not using right now down, and then I distribute. What does that equal when I distribute, Riley?
1
Say what?
1. You can put the minus sign.
Would it be a minus?
And what goes behind that one?
1
Okay, keep going.
and plus -10.
How about -10? Because a negative times a positive is going to be a negative. Okay, Riley did a nice job of distributing. Hannah, what are you going to do for me?
Combine like
You sure are. And what are your like terms?
4y and -1y.
Which equals?
3y.
And then I bring down my, you got it. Dylan, now what?
I messed up in this process.
Okay, you want me to come back to you another time? Maddie, now what? So what's the opposite of subtract 10? Okay. And then chance, last step.
You gotta divide by 3 on both sides. And then you gotta, and 7.
And then,
You gotta flip it.
yeah. And if you don't, like I said, if you guys don't want to do this step here, you don't have to. You can just automatically flip it. When it's an equal sign, it's easy enough to flip. Yes, sir.
Can I do that?
You want to do the back?
Yeah.
Sure can. Have you been waiting for that one? Patiently?
I'm lost here.
Or you got stuck?
I'm lost.
Because the back is our new lesson. And because your ride didn't come to school yesterday, I'm assuming that's why you didn't come to school.
Nah,
which
my
means
head
you.
was
No, somebody said you had hurt. But your ride also did not come to school.
Yeah, I know. That's also why my head hurt. My head really hurt. I was gonna come to school, and then he was like, "No, I'm not going to school." I was like, "Yeah, me neither."
Okay. You just made the case for me. Okay.
Yeah. So then I played Rainbow Six Siege for 16 hours.
That's not good.
On Xbox?
You know what you could have done instead of playing Xbox?
What?
You could have got onto Google Classroom and got your notes.
I could have.
You could have.
But I couldn't find my Chromebook charger. So.
Oh, bummer. Okay,
I found
so Ben, what am I going to do? So according to our notes yesterday, what are my first few steps?
Well, you gotta distribute or see if you can find like terms first.
Okay, so we're going to distribute first, which equals.
4x.
My head
and
hurts
is
now.
Now, can I distribute on my other side as well?
Yes.
So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And that's going to equal,
2x plus 6
then what?
plus 4.
Okay, after I distribute, you said the next thing I was going to do is what?
Combine like terms.
Okay, can I combine like terms on my left side?
No.
Can I combine like terms on my right side?
Yep.
Yeah, what can I combine on my right side?
The 6 and 4.
The 6 and a 4. So when I combine my like terms on my right side, what do I like to bring down first?
You have 2x plus 10.
Perfect. Good job. Now I'm at my new step that we started to introduce yesterday. What's the new step here?
Minus the little x.
Okay, why do I want to do that? What's the purpose of minus in the little x or picking on the little guy?
To get both variables on one side.
Yeah, so you said I'm going to minus the 2x from both sides. That way I basically get my variables on one side of the inequality here. So what's that going to equal?
2x minus 12.
Is less than 10. So from here, we're back to a problem that we're familiar with. Just a two-step inequality. So next,
Plus 12 on both sides. You will get 22.
all right.
And divide that by 2. And you should get 11.
So x is,
X is less than 11.
I divided, but I didn't have to flip. Why?
Because you're not dividing it by negative.
Okay, open or closed?
Open.
Left or right?
Left.
To the left. Nice job. How'd you guys do on that last one?